So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. This is your girl Ollie. If this is your first time stepping by, you're welcome. If this is not your first time stepping by, you're welcome too. You're welcome in the building. This is your girl Ollie. So in this video I am going to review the Juvia's Place, the Violet by Juvia's. It's so beautiful. It's small but dangerous, small but powerful. That's how I call it. This is how it look. It comes with 6 pieces. These are the colors I used to create this look. So if you want to see how I create this look, how I achieve this look, so please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell, so anytime I upload a video you will be the first person to see it. Let's go straight to the video. So first I'm gonna use my concealer by P. Louise, my favorite. I love it so much. Okay, I have some of it on my hand. I'm gonna take some of it and then dab, because I really want to set the concealer first before blending. Yeah. Guys, this brush is a must-have. This Bio technique. Let me see the number. Where's the number? They said it's the setting brush, but I guess it's for everything. I use it to set my concealer. It's just depending what I'm doing exactly. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Yeah. So now I just set my eye with concealer. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit before I move into the eyeshadow. Yeah. So this is how the palette look. I'm gonna grab this color right here. That's what I'm gonna grab and then give my eyelids a shape. But before doing that, I'm gonna try to blend this line up here. I'm seeing, I don't want to see that. I need everything to be flawless. Okay, just like that, and then shape it. I'm doing this shape just to know where I will start my blending. Okay, just like that. So you see how I draw that? So I'm gonna take another brush just to pick up the products and then dab it in so the pigment will show up on this area I wanna blend. Next, I'm gonna grab a blending brush, something like this by Murphy. It's a blending brush. I'm gonna grab some product and then start blending. So blending is the key of makeup. Just gonna grab my finishing powder just to blend the harsh line all over here, because I really don't want it to be colorful right there. So I just want to put a brown one, yeah, just to blend in the hash line. Okay, yeah, nothing much. So I'm gonna do the same thing what I did on this eye. That's what I'm gonna do on this other eye. Okay, so this is a blending brush by MAC 221S. I'm gonna grab my pressed powder by Fenty Beauty and grab some of the product and then blend the hash line. So now guys, for me normally I like to put a color base just to bring out the color more, the look more, but today I'm not gonna do that because I really want you guys to see the pigment of this eyeshadow palette. Small but powerful. Okay, by Juvia's. So okay, so guys, next I'm gonna use my concealer again, just to kind of cut the crease, okay, on the inside. I'm not gonna make it clean really. I'm just gonna draw it as normal. You really don't have to make it very clean, because the way I'm gonna work with it, that's what. Yeah. So if I'm I'm blending, I'm just gonna drag it in. Drag in, blend, drag in and blend. Yeah, just like that. I'm gonna let it be like that. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye too. Just gonna cut it. So guys, next what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab this one, this light purple right here on the side. This is my pigment. I'm gonna grab that one. I'm gonna actually grab two of it. So the first one I'm gonna grab is this one. The second one and is this one. Yeah. So I'm just gonna grab it, put it on my inner corner eye. Purple, which is this one. That's dark purple. That's what I'm gonna pick right here. This is what I'm gonna pick up. I'm still gonna use the dark purple, but this end. Bring it in. Okay, I'm using my primer by Huda Beauty. Okay. I love this primer, this Huda Beauty primer, because it's just like a water base. It's very light. It's not heavy. I just love it. Okay. So I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. And then I'll move on from the foundation. Yeah. Looking, guys, please do me a favor before I forget to say this. Please subscribe, like, comment. Please help me grow this channel. Please, guys. I have a video coming very soon. One is about skincare. So please, if you want to see what I am using on my face, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, so anytime I upload a video, you will be the first person to see it. So stay tuned, okay? So I'm gonna grab my Huda Beauty foundation and then give my face some pump. I'm running out of Huda Beauty. That's how much I love it. Okay, so I dab in everything into the face. Today's video I'm gonna use Too Faced concealer to contour my under eye. I'm using the lighter one. Okay, next I'm gonna use my KK Beauty, that's Kim Collection cosmetic line, and then contour my nose. Okay, just like that. I already blend do what so next I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier setting powder to set my under eye. It's a loose powder actually. So I'm gonna put it on my hand, dab it on my hand, and then press the product in. I don't set, I don't bake, but I set. Okay, yeah. Just like that. So I'm gonna take a small brush and then oh dang, something happened. yeah, I'm just gonna grab this brush and then I'm like kind of brush it out. Just like so. Okay, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Strawberry bronzer. I just have a problem pronouncing this name. Oh my gosh, I need help. So I'm just gonna get some of it and then contour my nose all the way up, bring it down. That, look how beautiful that look at that. Okay, so I'm taking my Fenty Beauty pressed powder and finish up the whole look. Finish up everything. So next I'm gonna use my MAC blush in pink and then give my chicks some blush. Okay, I don't want much, just wanna do it. Okay. I'm gonna use my lip liner, a pink one, because I'm doing a pink lip. So I'm gonna take my Gucci lipstick. This is my first time gonna use it. It's a pink one. I saw it on the store. I'm like, this is cute. I love pink. I'm gonna grab one. So I grab it. That's how the packaging look. It's cute. Okay, and then that's how it looks. It's so cute. Gucci is crazy. Like their product, they're so beautiful. That's how the packaging look. Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. And then, ooh, look at that pink, guys. Look at that. But that's how much they have product on it. So, and they have the logo, the Gucci logo on it. I hope you guys see it. Just like that. So they get there. So let me give myself some lip color, okay? Sorry, this light purple, I'm saying pink. I just love pink. This pink Gucci is taking over everything. Final makeup setting spray. You need this to set your foundation, your concealer, you set everything. So I'm gonna shake it one size, my favorite setting spray, set everything, set the whole face. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and then please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell so anytime I upload a video you will be the first person to see it. Thank you guys, till next time, bye.